Calling all Autobots. Get your pens and markers up and running. Tonight's episode, we're drawing Cliffjumper from Transformers Animated. Cliffjumper is one of the elite guard members of the Autobots. He takes full pride in his responsibilities. Not only that, Cliffjumper is also Sentinel's right-hand man, besides Jetfire and Jetstorm. Cliffjumper is also one of the classics in the Transformers series. Even though he was never seen in the toy line, he made his appearance in the toy line as a fast-action battler, only with the press of a button. That's what allowed him to transform into the Cliffjumper's robot mode. I still thought he would have been awesome as Transformers' best seller if he was a repaint of Bumblebee for the Deluxe Class series. I did a lot of research on Transformer lineups. And yes, they can be classified as Legends, Scout, Deluxe, Voyager, Leader Class, and Supreme Class. So there's his hand. Now we draw his thighs. Be on high alert. Be aware of any Decepticons. Because I don't see any in sight. Here's his other hand. Cliffjumper, wherever you are, this one's for you. And there he is. That's Cliffjumper from Transformers Animated. Where's my eraser? Alright, so I'm proud you guys got to enjoy this episode. Make sure you like and rock and subscribe, and let me know what interesting character you want me to draw next. Cliffjumper out.